Video description: everyone desires radiant, glowing skin, but not everyone knows how to achieve it. In this video, we'll explore the best tips and tricks to help you get glowing skin from the comfort of your own home. From skincare routines to DIY remedies, we'll cover everything you need to know to achieve healthy and glowing skin. Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will discuss how to get glowing skin at home, the ultimate guide. Are you tired of using expensive skincare products that never seem to work? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore the best tips and tricks to help you get glowing skin from the comfort of your own home. Healthy and glowing skin is something that everyone desires. However, with so many skincare products and treatments available, it can be challenging to determine what works best for you. Luckily, there are several natural and effective ways to achieve radiant skin without having to leave your house. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about getting glowing skin at home so you can have the beautiful, healthy skin you've always wanted. Section 1: Understanding your skin type. Before we dive into the best ways to get glowing skin at home, it's important to understand your skin type. Knowing your skin type will help you choose the right products and remedies that work best for you. There are 5 basic skin types: normal, oily, dry, combination, and sensitive. We'll discuss each type and how to identify your own skin type. Section 2: Building a skincare routine. Once you've identified your skin type, the next step is to build a skincare routine that caters to your specific needs. We'll explore the different steps involved in a basic skincare routine, including cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. We'll also discuss the importance of exfoliation and how it can help to reveal brighter, smoother skin. Section 3: DIY remedies for glowing skin. Not everyone has the budget to spend on expensive skincare products. Luckily, there are several DIY remedies that you can try at home to achieve glowing skin. We'll discuss the benefits of natural ingredients such as honey, turmeric, and aloe vera, and how you can incorporate them into your skincare routine. Section 4: Eating for healthy skin. What you eat can have a significant impact on the health and appearance of your skin. We'll explore the best foods for glowing skin, including fruits and vegetables that are rich in antioxidants and vitamins. We'll also discuss the importance of staying hydrated and how drinking plenty of water can help to keep your skin looking healthy and radiant. Section 5: Lifestyle habits for glowing skin. In addition to skincare and diet, there are several lifestyle habits that can help to promote healthy, glowing skin. We'll discuss the importance of getting enough sleep, exercising regularly, and avoiding harmful habits such as smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. Congratulations! You've made it to the end of how to get glowing skin at home, the ultimate guide. We hope you found these tips and tricks helpful in achieving the beautiful, radiant skin you deserve. Remember, healthy skin takes time and effort, but with the right tools and knowledge, you can achieve it from the comfort of your own home. Thanks for watching.